Come Johnny singing oldies goldies. You clap everyone I say. You come Johnny singing, I got a woman down in the tunnel trying to make it play. He got the action, he got the motion. Oh yeah, the boy can play. Dedication, devotion, turning on the nighttime into the day. Sing a song about the sweet woman. Sing a song about the land. You do the walk, do the walk all night.
So it's 1 p.m. and kids are enter the pool. They went to the beach. They went inside the water over there. Not full, just legs, but full black muck. So we told them to come and go in the pool since the restaurant guys have told us that you can use the pool since we had breakfast now. And I'm trying to his dance as usual. And where's the rest of the gang gone? I can't see where the rest of the gang is gone. Must have gone somewhere to see for lunch what food is there. Oh, they have not gone there. They are over here sitting. I thought they're gone over there, but they are come here and sitting. Let's go close to the pool. And I can see Zidane now on top. Are come man, slide. I want to go on the slide, but then you're getting scared. Not very deep. I think it's just 3 feet, I think. One more to go. So now Aaron is gone. All of them on one top now. So a nice video of the pool. Nice backdrop they got of fishes, tortoise, jellyfish, crab, dolphin, whale. And you can see all the fishes in the water. As usual, the kids are making the best of the pool. And some nice coconut trees on top.
Show Arab your swimsuit. Mine. Did you show yours?
You want to go? I don't like the shoot. I like the shoot. Anyone is not. Let's do shoot. Let's do shoot. Get our signature. 1, 2, 3.
Jump.
Okay, wait.
Jump, Zidane.
Mama, take that.
All jump together. 1. All 4 together. Zidane, stand. Here, Zidane. This side, Zidane. This side of the rod. 1. Wait. There comes Aaron. There comes Anu.
Oh my god.
Vivi. And Zidu boy. And then the baby.
They're swimming. The rest of them are sitting here in the shade, enjoying the nice cool breeze. And we'll just take a look at the cameraman. There's the cameraman. I don't know if you heard me saying it. So it's time to have some beer. It's very hot outside, so decided to come and sit at the bar and have a beer. Cheers, guys. Nice and cool. So I'm not the only one who's having a beer. You can see those two ladies, my wife and my mother-in-law. They too are having beer. Just waiting for the kids to finish on the pool and then we'll head home. Cheers.
Full one.
So we have done with our outing. We finished, the kids finished swimming, we finished with the beers, and now we are off home. You should reach there in an hour's time. We'll just go, we'll stop at one place to have lunch because we are all hungry now, especially the kids after having a dip in the pool. They might be feeling hungry. So just enjoy this last beautiful scene of the beach, Gorai Beach. Now we have to find the way out from this beach. Chalo, we'll catch you now once we reach that place to fill our tummies. Till then, goodbye. So it's 3 p.m. and we have reached Dhara's Dhaba. Let's come for some lunch. All are hungry. Got their place and sitting. It's a nice, lovely joint. They don't serve alcohol over here.
Then beer or rum? Beer or rum? How do you want? Rum? Cold milk?
Ivan is sleepy. Veera is sleepy. Zidane is sleepy. All are sleepy. Nice little seating area they got. So let's see where the food comes. Lunch has been served. Chicken, roti, veg, and biryani also will be coming for the kids. So bon appetit. Let's eat, enjoy, and then later on back to pavilion. That is, each one goes to their own HOME, sweet home. And that's me over here finally. So lunch is over. Now we have got some nice lassi, delicious lassi. It comes in this glass, full glass, and we have put it 1 by 2. So it's really big and it's really filling. So this is a lovely place. Don't forget Dhara's Dhaba. This is at Dhara by the road, not the inside road but the highway. Dhara's Dhaba. Ciao, ciao. Now we will go on our way home. Bye.